So this is a Nokia 105 or TA1174, and for some reason this line of buttons 7, 8, 9 and then that side arrow could not press while the rest do press. So I just wanted to show you how to go about this. Open the phone. Of course, I presume you removed the back cover, you disconnected the battery, and taken out those screws, and then of course that's how this would come out. So here what happens is, since it's a set of buttons failing, that implies that this phone must have had water damage. Now about 4 sets of buttons will always share a conducting line, and that's how the keypad is designed. So when a number of them fail at once, it's not an issue of that, but rather corrosion issue and lack of continuity. So the next thing is to open up the phone and get underneath the buttons. That comes out, and therefore we will peel off this polythene that holds the metal caps that make the buttons press or click. Unfortunately, I'm holding this one-handedly, and I need to peel that off. Okay, this right there. Now, since these buttons we're sharing a connection, that inner dots, this is 7, that's 8, and that's 9. The inner dots are connected, and therefore I had to tap from one of these, but this goes to all of them, and bring it by looping wire to that resistor there. So this set of resistors go to the keypads, and after doing that I was able to get it to work. I think, let me just show you that it does work, and I'm going to just assemble it partially so I can have the battery held in firm, and that's that way. Power on. Okay, so it's turning on. Okay, now let me show you that star. Okay, this is interesting. Back.